Okay, here in the 1987 Starlite pop-up, I cut out about 9 inches of wrought and then cut the floor back to the next brace so I can put a new piece of wood across there. I'm going to jack that back end up and build it to where it sets on it. But it had a broken cable, and I was able to just hook it to this turnbuckle because the cable still goes through to the riser bars, and I had to have somebody lower it down while I was in here and hooked it. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but the only cable I could find close enough was a little bigger than the others. So I had to weld a little ball onto the end of the cable, put it into this hole where that Allen bolt comes out and holds it in place. And then I was able to wind it back up, and while somebody was outside cranking, I kind of held the cables as straight as I could to try to keep them in line, to keep them from binding up, because when I first opened this up, those two middle cables were on top of each other and kind of smashing each other down. Put some white lithium grease on all the working parts, moving parts, and figured it couldn't hurt to do that. Cleaned it all off with a wire brush, and it works great. Now to get the floor patched back.